I was a welder at a plant, and I burnt my eyes several times down there, and I developed melanoma cancer tumor behind my left eye.
I see.
And the doctor told me that it could be caused from them welding flashes, and I'm just wondering, is there anything I can do?
Let me throw this one over to Matt Lott on our panel tonight and see what he has to say.
I didn't quite hear exactly what he said.
He said that he's gotten melanoma behind his left eye, and his doctor says it's because some of the flashes that he has seen repeatedly as a welder.
Oh, yeah. That's something that happens, unfortunately.
Right.
Especially with repeated exposure, but that's certainly a compensable injury. You have to, it has to be tied to the employee and the activity. But as long as his doctor is saying that that's related to his work, that would be a compensable injury.
So that's a key point there, the doctor.
Yes.
Gotcha. Caroline?
So there's actually different types of workers' comp claims. There's two main subsections. There's what's called a scheduled member claim. That would be if you injure a finger, you break a leg, something like that. And then there's also body as a whole claims that more so are like your neck, your back. Things that injure your torso would be considered a body as a whole. If you injure your eye in the state of Mississippi, that's technically called a scheduled member. And you would need an attorney to look at the Mississippi Code, figure out the amount of compensation that goes with that body part, and figure out whether your doctor has related it back to work. They should be able to do a math formula to figure out, your percentage of disability and how that will affect your future ability to earn wages.
Do you think, Caroline, is this worth Rodney giving a buzz to an attorney on Monday or Tuesday about next week?
Oh, absolutely. In some professions, your eyes are your livelihood. I cannot imagine being a welder and not having, perfect vision. Right. So definitely I would get an attorney involved sooner rather than later. As with any sort of claim, the clock is ticking.
Sure. So
the sooner that you're able to get an attorney involved, we should be able to help you.
All right, Rodney, thank you so much for the great question tonight. Hope you get to feeling better, especially like Caroline was telling about how important your eyes are there.